2018 Raptor, just over 58,700 kilometers. Remote entry, remote start, reverse sensing, backup camera, forward camera, well, 360-degree camera. Tailgate step, got a tough bed liner in it. Leather heated cooled front seats, of course. Twin panel moonroof. Voice nav. Trailer tow. Very nice 2018 Raptor that you're going to find at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, and you're going to find us 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.